Okay guys, so this is our first pop-in of a little video that I don't want to take a long time to bug you about, but these are really cool and they just came into the store. So let's see if I can flip this thing around. I was just unboxing all this cool Columbia stuff and pulling it out and hanging it and having so much fun. And so I had to put on the vest because I really like it. And Karen's back here scoping out the jacket. Look at, it's all this lining and warmth and comfort. I know it looks silly with my tank top on because it's really warm outside, but this vest is, oh, Karen's got it on. Check it out. Look at the pattern. So with those zippers, oh my gosh.
Pockets.
So sorry if I'm not very formal, everyone, but we had to kind of share how neat. Look at this, that Omni stuff.
Yeah.
All the lining. That's a rain jacket there, and this pattern I am just melting over. I think it's so pretty and bright yet subtle. Oh, okay guys, I just had to share. That's all I had to say. Humor me. Sorry it's so silly, but come and check these out because I might buy them all. See you later.